How to fix D3DX10_43.dll missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Reinstall the application. Sometimes, an installation error or application update can corrupt the file paths, causing the system to be unable to find the D3DX10_43.dll file. Reinstalling the application can reset these file paths and potentially resolve the issue. Windows includes built-in utilities called System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM. These tools can scan and repair missing or corrupted system files, including DLLs. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 3. Install all Windows updates. DirectX is downloaded and updated via Windows Updates, and no official standalone packages exist anymore. Thus, to ensure you are running the latest version, install all available Windows updates as follows. If that didn't work, Media Creation Tool is a utility provided by Microsoft that allows you to install and upgrade your Windows system. If some of the Windows components are corrupt or missing, running this tool can help you fix the issue, as it will reinstall all the system files while keeping your personal files and applications. Before proceeding, make sure you uninstall third-party security software before proceeding.